Welcome to this amazing Phoenix race. We are going to be commentating this race from oh my gosh, from the seat cam, the amazing seat cam. Chris is leading as we come to 7. This has been some crazy racing in the final 10 laps. You have no idea. I wish I would start at record. Oh, that's a yellow! 3-car wreck. Turns 3 and 4. Or turn just 3. I don't know how Phoenix works. I don't know if that last turn is 3 and 4 or just turn 3. We're gonna restart with 6 to go. We are watching this whole race from this amazing. This is the best seats at RUCS Phoenix International. Is AJ with these amazing updates. He has the greatest updates. I'm gonna find a good seat to watch at every track. He updates now. Oh, he's gonna get it out himself, it looks like. Well, he has the pass. He has the... As you see, we got the whole crew gathered over here in these seats. Got the crew. Move the hell out of my way! He's in my way. I'm trying to watch a race. You went in that way. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Green flag? Green flag, green flag. We got them to turn 1 here. As you see how this cool cam works. 2-car wreck. 2-car wreck. Because I just love watching from the seat. We got a 3-car battle. Oh, reflecting Master X, Jack X, everyone. That's a yellow. Top. No, this is my favorite spot. You can't even complain that. Oh, okay, that's good. If you'll see on the video, I had fling red pre-typed, but once you said that, I backspaced it. Would you? I'm about to ban you. Oh my god! Now I have to get out of my seat to go to the line and assess all of this. No. That's not me. What? That's a freaking lumberjack kid. No, you know, my seat's here now. No one sits right here. Fine. I think you're right. Green flag, 5 to go. Look at that racing. One in the... He's all 3 wide. Mass. With the wreck, he posts up the wreck. He spins. So we got some great racing over here. We can, as we see from the seats, the leader Rex. See the other leader Rex. It's go. Oh my god. This is gonna put everyone wreck trying to pass the wrecking leader. What? Oh, someone is hurt over there. Oh, hey, Red, we need you to get this ugly ass mask out of the ground. Oh no. Oh no, man. Dude, he's determined to play Roblox even if he has a broken body. What's up, man? What's up, man? Yo, this is the man of the video. Shout out to MLG Pro Boss Foxy. He's my man. He's my man sitting next to me this race. Alright, tell me when you got it. Hey, he's so reflective with his clothes, I can see him over here. Shut up, Haley. Shut up! You're ruining the broadcast. Oh my god. Haley, you want to be on YouTube? Yeah. Okay, come over here and commentate. Alright. You talk about what's happening in the race. Oh, I don't know what I need to do. You're just watching it. Oh, we got a wreck. Oh, they raced. Oh, look at, yellow, and with the lead, and that's the lead.
Yellow is in the lead or something. I don't know. Yellow's in the lead. Yeah. Who's that walking over there?
What? Oh, that's a fan. Don't touch the.
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna play some fairy games.
Hey, we're not done, Haley.
I know, but I'm playing.
Okay, well, this is your only chance to be on YouTube.
I want to be on YouTube.
You want to be on YouTube?
Dude, is that behind your computer?
Haley, you have to give me $5 to be on YouTube.
No, I don't.
3, 2, 1, go. We got them racing right here. You see them? Forward! Oh, look at this! Oh! That's... Oh!
Oh my god! Yellow again!
Ow! Don't hit me! Don't do that! Oh, we got another fan coming to the squad! Shit, don't make noises.
Why?
Because it's illegal. Got a green, white checkered here. We got the crew over here. All sitting in. But it's still not going to be longer than the IndyCar opener. Haley, come back! We're racing again. We got out for the lead. Let's make it through turn 1. I said let's make it. Yeah, we're going to make it. Yeah! Oh my god. What caution? He only asked for a caution when he can't. One to go. Yeah. Meanwhile, Afraid Jack is gonna win at feet. Oh my god.